Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into CashApp on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your CashApp on your mobile device, first make sure that you've downloaded the CashApp application. Once you have it, tap it open. Enter your phone or your email address into the text box. Right where it says phone or email, you can use any one of them. Once you type in your email, tap next. On the next page, enter the confirmation code sent to your email address, which is 6-digit long. Tap on next and you'll be able to log into your CashApp account right away. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.